Welcome back to the channel, man. Hope y'all having a blessed Wednesday, man. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. Let me get myself situated, man, and chime in on lowering this S650. Should you or shouldn't you do it? Stay tuned for the video. Hope everybody's having a blessed Wednesday. Just wanted to chime in real quick and give my 2 cents on lowering your Mustang. I'll start with some of the positive things that I've read about lowering your Mustang. One, you'll get a stiffer ride, which is great. They say you can feel the road better. Say you'll get better performance. And also, it just looks good, right? But also, I think in lowering it, you got to make sure you got the right tire set up. Lowering it on the stock tires, I don't know if that's going to look good or not, but there's also things you got to take into consideration also when lowering it. One, if you live in the DMV area or work in the city like I do in Washington, D.C., you got to worry about these bumpy roads, potholes, speed bumps, garage entrances, a whole nine, right? And worst of all, you got to worry about it bottoming out. And what I mean by bottoming out is that you'll hit a bump or something like that, and because the compression of the springs are different, it's going to scrape. And what's at risk? That big bathtub exhaust system that's stock in these vehicles. You could definitely damage those when the road conditions aren't optimal for a lower vehicle. I'm not knocking it. Those who've done it, and I've seen some look pretty good, some are too low. I think they recommend that you do no more than 1 inch in the front or maybe 1 inch in the back. Not really 100% sure, but that's one of the couple of reasons why I haven't done it, is because the infrastructure here is not built for lower cars. And then I work in the city, and these roads are rough, and I don't want to do any damage. Also, you can get premature wear on your tires if it's not done properly. So if you're going to do it, go to a reputable shop. Make sure these guys know what they're doing, and you're not wasting your money. Hey, hold it for a second, man. I learned something messing around with this. Watch this here. I don't know if you guys can hear that downshifting. Hey, man, I tell you, if you know anything about my channel, man, I've never been an advocate of paddle shifters, but I've been playing around with this set here, man, and learned something that I really like. And one of my subscribers, or one of the guys who commented on the channel, kind of taught me something to save a little wear and tear on my brakes, which is to I downshift a little bit to slow the vehicle down without having to mash on the brakes every second. But back to the topic at hand, lowering your vehicle, again, it looks good, gives you better performance, gives you a stiffer ride. Can it be done on a daily vehicle? Absolutely. Should you do it? All depends on where you live, what your road conditions are like. I know where I'm at, it is definitely not built for lowering your vehicle, man. These roads are rough. But look, I just wanted to chime in, give my 2 cents. Comment below if you lowered your vehicle. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe, man. Till the next video.